But I know that it was freezing yesterday. Is it cold?
Kick. I'm sorry.
Are those the rocks you threw in?
Can you move?
Tries to pick up big ass rocks this house. What are you doing, Jay?
Here, Boo Boo, come over here. There's less rocks over here. Come here. See? Nice.
You cold, Boo?
No, I think it's the fact that it is sand. It's bothering her.
Weird. Go ahead, walk.
Okay, come here, look, come here, walk. Okay, come on, walk. You want to go this way?
She loves it, you know.
Uh-huh. It actually feels good after a while. Are you coming in?
Do you want me to?
Up to you.
Do you want me to? That's what I'm asking.
Up to you. I don't care either way.